Did I tell you I'm seeing all these Passats everywhere now? It's 3 cars. 1, 2 and 3. And it's a freaking R36 Passat. So rubbed it in my face about my Golf R32. Yeah, I wanted to do an R36 swap. Twin turbo, 747 horsepower. One day boys. I think I'm going to do a drive-by race pace. If you saw the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, the result from that, I was talking about race pace and my mate's R32 GTR being built by race pace. Just a little drive-by. I went past a little bit further and saw a few out the front, so let's see how we go. Sorry about the angle guys, but I'm driving. So it's actually on the mount, just the opposite way. Holloway Drive. If you do have a GTR and you're in Melbourne, give them a call. Just on the left, I can see a 34. Big wing. 32. 34. RX-7. 34. Oh, they're everywhere. See, that's Australia. Feel sorry for you guys in America. I wonder if they have done any VQ Skylines. I don't know. Just heading over to my parents' place to use their heat gun to get rid of the stripe on that rear bumper that I just got. About 2:45. It'll take about half an hour to get it off. I'm just going to reverse up the driveway. Hold on. But yeah, about half an hour to get rid of it. Should be okay. Hopefully I don't damage the paint. When I did pop the corner out with the hot water actually made the spider cracks come up even more, so let's see how we go. Alrighty boys, if you're an OG you'll know this place. Got my little milk crate. I'm gonna get the heat gun out and we'll get that off. Alrighty guys, I think that's an okay angle. That's all I've got. I've got a DM from somebody. I commented on Supercar Blondies. I commented on their comment about walking Lucy, the Huracan. Some people are probably not from, don't know the language. Please don't peel. see the black stripe was on the blue. Alright? It's like, I don't know, leaked through? Unless that was already there and they did that to cover it, but I doubt it, but it's because it's exactly where the black was. It's strange. Can any of you guys tell me why this happened? And obviously it's gonna need some paint correction there, so next time.